west side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito. Can you kill that? Nice one, everyone. Okay, everyone spread. Back muna kayo, ante. Observe that armies. Mag-engage sila. Mag-engage sila. Touch. Nice one. Kahit lang muna kayo. We're getting on cooldowns. Kahit muna kayo, east side. Come east side. Okay, dyan, blah. East side. Sige.
We're going northeast.
Walk northwest. Back, ay, west side ka na, ante. Huwag kayong sunod. We're gonna catch that choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the choke. Nawin dual. Can we kill that? Sige. Okay lang yan. Everyone na. Hold the choke. Defensive task. Hold the choke. Okay, nice one. Okay, we're waiting for your cooldowns. Wala mo nang akit ng choke. Wala mo siya nang aggressive. Use and W's nyo lang yung mga nag-i-step up na tank na yan. Maganda pa bang ganyan? Okay, everyone walk up, then go north. Walk up, then go north. Yan, dyan kayo mag-angle. North. Nice one. Sige. After netong, okay, clean na. Kasi double swing move. Okay, everyone look, we're looking east side. Ay, south side. Okay, south side. Never mind. We're going west side. Come right muna. We're gonna engage south, ha. Look, south, ha. Look south, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South. Can you delete this? Can you delete that? Wala, never mind. Sige. Come north muna. Defense tanks keep holding, ha. Sige, I'm gonna do the helmet. Sige, patch kayo, everyone patch. Survive. Come north muna kayo, ante. You need to stabilize. Okay, nag-engage sila. Walks out, everyone walks out. We got 6 seconds on our engage. Houston Toshi. Okay, west side, ha. West side tayo, everyone, ha. West side, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, medyo deep, sa baba lang, delete that, can you delete that, nice one, come right muna kayo, makatch kayo from the east side, come tight, nice one, hold that, nice defensive tanks, okay, spread naman, ay, stabilize na kayo sa likod, sige, we're holding this choke, sige, walang damage yung icicle, wala, naka-night silence sila, okay, we got cooldowns 5 seconds, ha, cooldowns in 5 seconds, nice one, okay, everyone, okay, we're holding this choke. Spread lang kayo, Ilya side. Ingat kayo dyan, ha. Medyo, in danger kayo dyan. Ingat lang kayo dyan. Yung side na hindi ko kayo lahat ma-call out, pero that's the side. Ingat lang. Let's wait.
May fake sila offensive ito.
But I think, kailangan natin sila mauna mag-engage. Ako lang engage niyo.
They're backing west side, Venti.
Everyone walk down the choke. We're going north. Walk north. Spread while you walk north. Everyone, we're gonna engage west side. West side deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep side. Kill that shit. Hey, let's go. Energy, everyone come west side. Don't get too comfy. West side. Keep walking west side. Catch those cheaters, bro. Actually, never mind. You're right. Ito mga nasa loob natin. Catch this. Defensive tank, set it up. Sige, catch the, Sino ka catch natin?
Ito, color nila nasa akin. Sure, Ronnie.
Ito, hindi tank ko.
Ito na lang, HOJ. Gusto ko ng HOJ.
One more blob here, remember.
Okay, come, regroup, come south, regroup on me. Ito yung karan.